Here we got a 1932 Ford truck, and this one's got a Chevy small block in it. Easy to get at though, easy to work on. There you go. Edelbrock, yeah, headers and all that wonderful shit. See how tight the steering comes in there too, you know, steering gears and all that. Yeah, it's got the Cadillac air cleaner on it, the old Cadillac 50-something air cleaner. Electric fan, pick 'em up truck, toolbox, smokestacks. I remember when they had the, what was that, the Dodge, they call it the Little Red Express. Oh, look at a shifter in here, way up. It's like a Jeep shifter practically. I don't know if that is a Jeep shifter, it could be. That's how you find, that's how you could always cut off the, you can always bolt one on there. A couple grade 8 bolts and Loctite. Here's your filler up. Nice and easy to fill the damn thing up. Especially if you got some jerry cans. It's kind of like, you know, I remember that Little Red Express. Remember when they stopped making the fast, you know, muscle cars and stuff, and they had that Little Red Express from Dodge with the truck, and they had you know, the smokestack freaking pipes, and that was the way to get around, you know, having a hot car. You'd have like a step side shorty, and it wasn't subjected to all the emissions rolls, so that was, it kept the muscle car era going a little longer in the trucks. Just switched over to the trucks. So this kind of reminds me of that in a way. You know, it's a flashback. But it's good having the fenders on it. I mean, I like taking the running boards off and all that stuff, but it's good having the fenders on it because, you know, if you're actually going to drive it someplace, you don't want all that big spray coming up in your window, right? You know, it's hugging nice and tight too. It's like, actually, you know, if that was, I guess you could probably even make, well, it ain't mine, but I probably would have made the fenders black. Because you see how that thing hugs like that? You wouldn't even notice that fender's there. You know what I mean? You wouldn't even notice it's there. I probably, you know me, I would truck bed line it, the whole thing. Make it gnarly, make it look like, kind of like tire rubber. So, actually you could paint the tire tread right on the freaking top of the fender, then you would never know it's there, right? And you still have the advantage of having the freaking fender. Be a little custom right there. I wonder if anybody ever did that, painted the tire tread on top of the fender. You know? It's got AC in it.